Becoming selfish is the best thing that I ever did, and today I will share why. I used to be the biggest people pleaser, and I was always so focused on how are other people feeling. Are they liking me? Are they happy? I would lower my standards in dating because I would be scared that they would leave me. In school, I was the nerd, and sometimes like the cool girl wanted to collaborate with me on a project because she could just piggyback off my nerdiness, and I would complete the project and would get a good grade. I would let people walk all over me so that they would be happy. That's all I cared about. But it wasn't until I started prioritize myself that I finally manifested my dream life. I come from an academic family. It was just assumed that I would have a university degree. So I decided to study computer science because that is a safe degree and I would get a nice office job. And that was my plan because that's how we do it. That's what we're taught in school. That's what's expected of us. One day I decided I hate 9-to-5s, I hate office jobs, and I'm going to become a digital nomad and travel around the world while working from my laptop. So as I quit my job, I got a call from my dad and he's like, are you sure you want to leave your secure office job to become an entrepreneur? It sounds very risky. And frankly, I was terrified. And it was a bit of a roller coaster. But here I am, being a full-time YouTuber and blogger, and I couldn't be happier. When I started to become more selfish, it also affected my friendships. So I started to lose friends. I even lost my best friend at the time. I had been friends with her since I was 5 years old. And this happened because I decided to start expressing my opinions fully and stop people-pleasing. And she didn't like that. She was very politically correct always. I always felt like I had to tiptoe around her. But what I realized is that if you can't be yourself with somebody, there's no point of that friendship. It's actually not even fair to them that you are with them just because you were childhood friends or because they know somebody in your family. You are wasting their time. So only be with people who lift you up. When you are selfish, when you prioritize yourself, your vibration is high because you have energy. You take care of yourself, and that affects people around you. That makes other people happier. Everything is vibration. So we need more selfish people as long as it doesn't affect somebody else's negatively. So don't go stealing somebody's money because that would make you happy. Always follow the golden rule. So I challenge you now to write down everything that you want out of life and how your ideal day would look like. And then take steps towards that. Don't be scared of being selfish. I promise you, it's the best thing you'll ever do. And if you want to learn how to step into your purpose, get my free guide, link below, on how to do it in 5 simple steps. I love you so much.